Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can reset your Orca Slicer to the default settings. So this involves deleting the actual user settings or the user folder for Orca Slicer. Now to get started, you want to navigate through run or run, and basically from here you just want to type app data. Click on OK, navigate through roaming, and there will be the Orca Slicer folder. So what you want to do with this one is to actually look for the user settings. You could back this up if you want to. So what I generally want to do is to simply create a new folder, and I'll name this old setting. From here, I'll copy the user setting and then paste it right here. There's also a ready-made backup if you want to use that if you want to, but you could just replace or delete this after backing it up. Close out Orca Slicer, and after opening it back in, it will just go ahead and replace it with the default one. Now if that didn't work, you could also try deleting the whole Orca Slicer folder right here. And the last option that I recommend is going through the add or remove programs. In here you just want to search for Orca Slicer. And basically what we're doing right here is deleting the application altogether. You want to get a new copy from the official website, and from there you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.